Is lemon chicken real Asian or Phasian? G'day friends, how's it going? Welcome back to Sesame Kitchen, where I bring to you budget-friendly recipes with sustainability in mind. Continuation from last recipe, I still got heaps of lemon on the tree, so we're making lemon chicken today. To break it to you, it was 2 years ago when I had my first ever lemon chicken. So in my experience, it's not a real Asian food. We had it here in Australia, we were on the road, and I was skeptical, but it was bloody delicious. It's velvety chicken deep fried in this nice and airy batter and drizzle on top some beautiful citrusy, sweet, sour, tangy lemon sauce. Chuck that on a bed of beautiful warm white rice. It's a match in heaven. It's got the contrast in flavor, it's got texture, it's got the tang, it's got the explosive flavor. It's everything you need to chow down bowls and bowls of white rice. If that sounds good to you, let's get cooking. Let's start with chicken. Chicken breast is the more classic choice for the white people Asian food take.
Hello. Hi, I'd like to order some Chinese food.
Okay, your total's gonna be 72.45.
Wait, I didn't even tell you what I want.
Hey, everybody knows what you want.
Okay, then what I want.
Orange chicken,
Kung Pao chicken, broccoli beef, Mongolian beef, honey walnut shrimp, spring roll and chow mein.
To cook our chicken as evenly as possible, I'm using this technique called butterfly. It's basically thinning out the chicken by cutting it in half horizontally. Chicken is kind of opened up like a butterfly, hence the name. I like to cut from the middle out and open it up in a tri-fold fashion, almost like one of those folding smartphones. Once the chicken is cut up to the size we like, move on to the next step, which is marinating and velveting. Start with a pinch of salt, about 3 grams, followed by 2 grams of bicarbonated soda. This will change the pH of the chicken and helps soften the meat. 5 grams of cornstarch or tapioca starch. A few cracks of white pepper. Good drizzle of sesame oil to add some fragrance to the chicken. 20 grams of water. This will help make the chicken nice and moist. This step makes a huge difference, especially when cooking chicken breast, which has a tendency of being dry when overcooked. Mix it all up really well in the bowl. We want to make sure our chicken is well covered and will marinate well to soak up all of the goodness. When all is done, we can bring the chicken over to the fridge and let it set for at least 20 minutes while we prepare the rest of the dish. While we are still in the citrus season, my goal is to make as much lemon related food as possible to make the best use of the wonderful flavors. Leave a comment below and let me know what other lemon dishes you would like to see me making. I still have more than 10 on the tree and I won't be wasting any of them. To make our lemon sauce, we need 1 lemon cut in half or in cheeks, and we squeeze the living juice out of it. Use a sieve or, like me, use the other hand under the lemon to catch all of the seeds. Seeds can go back in the garden and you might end up with few more trees in 10 years time, who knows. We got about 80 grams of lemon juice out of this one. I then add 40 grams of granulated sugar into the pot. To add flavor complexity, add half a cube of chicken stock or 3 grams of salt, or maybe both. Cut 1/4 of the spent lemon and throw that into the pot to get some flavor from the rind and flesh. Move over to the stove, put on medium to low heat to dissolve the sugar. Grab a stick blender or use a normal blender to blend up the 1/4 of lemon we added in. This will turn the lemon juice into a jammy texture. Have the sauce on simmer until it reduces to a syrupy kind of consistency. We can then turn the heat off to set aside. By now, our chicken should be well marinated and velveted. Get it out of the fridge and take it out of the bowl. With the residual liquid in the bowl, we're going to make our batter. Add in 20 grams of tapioca or cornstarch, 30 grams of flour, a touch more bicarb, say 3 grams, pinch of salt to season, and top it with about 40 grams of water. To activate our bicarbonated soda, add in a good drizzle of vinegar. You can see the batter foaming up instantly, and now we mix it in to make it a light and airy batter for our chicken. Adjust the flour and water ratio until you reach a consistency like this. We want it to be thick enough to cling onto the chicken, but not too thick that it will be too dense. We are getting there. On the stove, a wok or pan on medium heat. Adding some frying friendly oil, I'm using rice bran. Once the oil is up to temperature, around 180 degrees Celsius, grab our piece of chicken, sprinkle some flour over both sides so the batter holds onto the chicken better. Dip our chicken into the batter and into the hot oil away from you. Cook until both sides are golden brown and the internal of the chicken reaches at least 70 degrees Celsius. Drain the oil a bit and chicken is ready to come out. Cut the golden crispy chicken into finger width strips. Look how soft and moist the chicken is. To plate up, chicken onto a bed of warm rice. Drizzle our lemon juice all over and more to get some onto the rice as well. Some Asian greens for a balanced meal. And voila! The cost breakdown is around the screen here. The entire dish costed us $2.10 to make. Alright, and there we have it. That is our Chinese lemon chicken all done right here. Going to dive in and just let you know how amazing this is. It's sweet, it's tangy, it's got a little bit of bitterness coming from the lemon rind. Gives it more complexity. The butterfly technique we apply to the chicken, make sure we get the right thickness throughout to all cook at the same rate. And the crunchiness coming from the batter, it's got texture, it's got flavor, it's got all of the good things all packed into this chicken dish. Can't be happier. This is such an easy recipe that it takes about 20 to 30 minutes. If you make this at home, I can guarantee you'll be faster than get in the car, drive all the way down to the Chinese takeaway and come back. You would already finish your food, done your dishes and be sitting on the couch. Alright, that is all I got for you today. If you learned something, if you liked the video, give it a like. If you want to see more of these budget-friendly recipes coming out your way every 2 weeks, consider subscribing to the channel. I will be around. I will see you next time. Bye.